to buy the CITADAIL token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going to buy this token, make sure to check their X account. They have a big community there. Just go and check and follow their update about the token. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinGisco, as you can see, and find the token there. Now, as you can see, if you scroll down and find contract, copy the token address. Now, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, for this, we will use the Phantom wallet. Just go and open your Phantom wallet and log into your wallet like that. Now, after you log into your Phantom wallet, just click on swap. And now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Just click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Just click on it. Now after that, enter how much you want to buy. And this is, as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Now from here, just select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after that, you will click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now, if you find or if you face any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here to be able to buy this token without any issue. Now, this is how to buy this CITADAIL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.